Ready?
I did it. I'm recording all that.
There you go. So when you're separating your bird out,
hold on, I'll bring that over there.
You want to give the bird a big spanking.
Our channel. So today we decided to do a little cooking tutorial. So we are going to be making a Crockpot Chicken Stew with some vegetables and chicken broth. It's going to be delicious. Ready? Yeah,
gonna knock it out. Get our Rachel Ray on.
I don't know if it's going to be that good. We can try though. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some of these vegetables. So I've already peeled my carrots, and I broke off just a couple of stalks of celery, and then I have 2 lemons that I'm going to cut into slices and have in the stew. And we're also going to, I'm going to probably put one of the lemons on my actual chicken. So the type of chicken we have is just a young chicken.
Young Kirkland chicken from Costco. They come in packets of 2, and I'll stop talking in an accent about now.
So Daniel's gonna get that open, and then we'll season that bad boy once we get it all open. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to make the kind of like sauce or basting that's gonna go on our chicken. So I'm gonna take one of my lemons and some salt and pepper, as well as some Herbs de Provence, which is like a really good herb blend that I like. And I'm going to mix that up with a little bit of olive oil, probably about a ½ cup of olive oil. And I'm gonna blend all that up, and we're gonna baste it all over our chicken. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to slice my lemon. And you don't necessarily need a lemon juicer, but these really come in handy to get as much juice out of your lemon as possible, but you don't absolutely need one. So I'm gonna use one though. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna have Daniel pour a ½ cup of olive oil into a bowl. I'm going to add my lemon juice, and then we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper and some herbs. And we're going to mix that up. Now we're going to just stick the chicken right in, and Daniel's going to add the basting sauce kind of all over it.
So I managed to get the dead chicken all over the cutting board. So we got a Madison a new cutting board now.
And I'm just gonna cut the rest of my vegetables. So I have some green onions that I'm just gonna chop. As well as some celery. See this little guy. Okay, so now I have all of my veggies chopped, and we're just gonna put them all over the chicken, and then we're gonna add some more herbs, and then our chicken broth. So this is the chicken broth we use. We just use this chicken stock from Kirkland. This is the Market Pantry vegetable broth. I have about half a container left of that, so that's what we're gonna be using, and then 2 full things of chicken broth. And we're gonna add in all of our vegetables first. Next, we're going to add our vegetable broth. And our chicken broth. And I think we actually only need about that much, so we should be good there.
All right.
We're gonna do a kind of a good amount of the herbs. And then a little bit more salt, just a little bit. More pepper. So I almost forgot the slices of lemon, so we're gonna add a couple of slices of lemon just on the top of the stew. So this is the final product right before we are gonna put the lid on it and have it cook on high overnight. So it's about 10:20 here right now, and it's gonna cook, we typically get up around 5, so it'll cook all of that time and be ready to go in the morning. This is great for lunches or dinner, especially if like you're not gonna be home. Like I typically am out late on Monday, so it's nice having like dinner ready to go. And so yeah, we'll show you guys as soon as it's done. Anyways, Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to see more cooking tutorials, let us know in the comments if you tried this recipe and what you thought of it. And we will see you guys next time.
Get some chicken.